What's up, YouTube? It's your boy D Brooks coming with another video. Today we got a box. We got a box from Summit. We're gonna open this guy up. It's for the Jeep, so y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna open this up. We got a couple stays for the radiator and fan. Actually, this is for the transmission cooler. Thermostat. Actually, we don't need that thermostat. We'll probably send that back. And the wire loom. I know we were talking about the wire loom. We got the wire loom. The heater core block off. And the black radiator hose adapter kit. So this is what was the most urgent. It's not really a crazy order, but this is what the most urgent part was. Trying to open it with one hand here. And we got two of these. So let's open him up. Alright, so it goes a little something like this. Hopefully this 90 works out for us. What we're trying to do is we're trying to get from here to here. We gotta make a couple 90s, some tight 90s. I don't know if this is gonna work or not. Y'all stay tuned. We got the Regal sitting outside. Basically, wanted to clean up the garage a little bit. Didn't get much done on the Jeep today. Probably gonna have to go ahead and send this water pump back. That's one of the good things about Amazon. Send this water pump back. Probably pick up like a LS. Send that water pump back, pick up a LS1 style water pump with the spacers, so we don't have to offset so much. So basically, this offset is super tight. I mean, we got about an inch right here. We got to go from here to here. And if I can get the LS1 water pump, which it really shakes out to be about the same price with the spacers, just go right here, and then I got more room to work and get my bends done. So we're gonna do that. I know it's like my third water pump, but hey, it is what it is. And then we can move forward, put our fans on here, and wire those bad boys up, and then finally tuck the wiring. Tuck the wiring, and then hopefully our bracket for the shifter will be here Saturday, and we can move forward. And we can loom up all the wires, move, put the wiring back and all that stuff, and start buttoning everything up. Only thing I could do right now that I didn't do, just because I didn't feel like doing it today, is I could probably put the fuel tank back up. But yeah, that's where we're at. We got that rusty engine that had all that rust inside the cylinders. We got it on the stand. So hopefully I can go ahead and flip it over and take the oil pan off and see exactly what's going on. I'm curious to see what's going on with this thing. This one runs, that one's getting gapped, getting the rings gapped. This one's probably gonna go in something just like this, just because, I wanna do a carbureted setup. So, still not completely sure if I'm gonna put it in there with a carburetor. I do have several EFI setups too, but I'll probably clean this one up, put it in something, probably put it in my box Chevy, since it needs an engine. I'm not even gonna pull it apart. It runs good oil pressure. Freshen it up, clean it up, and then put it in that box Chevy and roll out with it. But this guy right here it's gonna at least need a rod. But yeah, guys, that's the update for today. Not a whole bunch going on. Like I said, I cleaned up the garage, organized a lot of stuff, and that helps a lot, you know, getting things organized, putting things where they're supposed to go. Sometimes you gotta use days to do that just so you can breathe, you know what I mean? So whenever I don't have time to get stuff done, it's a good time to clean, man. So be sure to join the Discord. Link is in the description. We've got plenty of information on there. The community, people in the comment sections that you guys run into, people that's in the live streams, they're all on the Discord. And yeah, man, make sure you check that out. And also, get on the website, flairmotorsports.com/shop. We got the merch on there, Flair gear, the hats, the t-shirts, even some stuff that you haven't even seen me wear yet. It's on the website, so make sure y'all check that out. But until next time, y'all be safe. I'll catch y'all later. Peace.